What's up, my LS crazy amigos? It's your boy Terry, speaking from the garage shop once again. Here to offer some more big bang for the buck product and, I don't know, Trailblazer upgrade info. Yeah, that's what's up. All right, so basically, the question of the day is, what is a Panhard bar and do I need to replace mine? I had to replace mine. Basically, a Panhard bar is lateral location of the rear axle in conjunction with the body of the car. So basically what it does is it centers the axle underneath the car and it holds it in place. So on my Trailblazer SS, I notice, if you look at it, if you look from behind, I noticed that the body of the car, you got the wheels and you got the body of the car. Let's say you're looking at it from behind, okay? So when you lower that car, you have a little bit of cushion. But when you start lowering your car, I don't know, maybe 2-3 inches, 1.5 inches. Now what's going to happen is when you lower it, that Panhard bar is going to, so hard to say, that Panhard bar, what it'll do is it'll start pushing it out a little. Because I noticed that once I lowered my truck 2 inches in the back. And also when you change your tires, you lower your car and then you change the tires to a fatter tire, that's when you really start noticing it. So what I'm doing today is I'm replacing my Panhard bar with an adjustable one, because what an adjustable Panhard bar will allow you to do, it will allow you to correct the misalignment of that lateral location of the axle. So when you're looking at it from behind, the car will look like it's going straight. It'll be, you could set it to anywhere you want. And so that's what we're going to do today. We're going to replace this Panhard bar, and it's relatively simple to do. So anyone can do this, and let's get going. As you can see, the wheel, the tire is almost flush with the lip here, maybe a 1/2 inch. It's almost flush. All right. Now when you go to the driver's side, you can see it's not the same. You can see that the tires are about, I would say, maybe a 1/2 inch. No, actually 1 inch to 1.5 inches more in towards the passenger side. So that's what a Panhard bar will fix, an adjustable one. This is the Panhard bar right here. You see, it goes from the axle and attaches to the frame. So in order to move it, all you gotta do is take that bolt out, take this bolt out, it comes loose. They got both Panhard bars here, side by side, and you can notice some subtle differences. This one's polyurethane, the one that Tony sells, and this from Spohn Performance. And this is the stock one. It's got rubber in it, you know, and rubber bushings. But the only problem is there's no adjustability with this. See, with this nut, depending on how you turn it, you can make your back end go to the left, to the left, to the left, right, left, whatever way you need to get your back end squared up with your rear axle. And so, and not to forget, these ones also got Zerk fittings, so you can always lube them up. Yeah. Okay, after about a 1/2 hour worth of work, we got the Panhard bar installed. Now all we got to do is turn this little bolt. Let's get it. And that should correct our problem. You get it to the position where you want, lock these bolts down, and you're good to go. All right, checking it out from the calibrated eye, you see it's pretty much centered. Let's see. We going eyeballing, checking out the scene, going eyeballing. Calibrate eye. Well, that's all there is to installing a Panhard bar in your Trailblazer SS. And this goes for just about almost any other car as well. But you should, after you finish doing the Panhard bar adjustment, it'd be a good idea to get a wheel alignment, because then they can really true it up and make sure that each side is simple. Because right now I just eyeballed it, but I will be doing a wheel alignment again real soon. So, but listen, as always, I want to thank you guys for the questions, the answers. Keep them coming, because I love them, and it's all about caring and sharing and helping the next next person, because there's a lot of females out there that are into these cars as well, and I love seeing that. So the next person's build go a little bit easier. So, but I'm looking at the clock on the wall. See, like I said, it always shifts. I don't know how it moves. Anyways, looking at the clock on the wall. It's time for me to head on off and get this car down, get this truck down, put the spare tire back, and take it for a spin, see how it feels. All right? But as always, please, as always, be easy. And I'll catch you guys real soon. Take care.